Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. This is Olayemi cooking. Oats breakfast smoothie, no sugar added. How to make oats smoothie recipe with no sugar. This is a banana oat smoothie recipe. Very easy to make with no sugar and very delicious and very nutritious. So we are going to start making our recipe. I'm going to be needing 3 teaspoons of oat. Also, I'm going to be needing 2 to 3 dates. Please remember to clean your date up, remove the seed. Then I'm going to go ahead and add half cup of milk. I'm using low fat milk on this recipe. I'm going to soak my oats before making our oat breakfast smoothie. I'm going to soak it for 5 to 15 minutes. I'm going to leave it for 5 to 15 minutes. Then we'll start making our oat breakfast smoothie recipe. However, on a very busy day, you can easily make this breakfast recipe, hot banana smoothie, and you can replace it with any food. You can also take it for dinner, lunch. It's an easy recipe to prepare. So after 15 minutes, we are going to transfer our soaked oat into a blender. Then we are going to start preparing our oat smoothie. So I'm going to also add 1 banana. I'm using 1 large banana. It has already been cut. I'm going to add it into the blender. Also, I'm going to add milk into the blender as well. Then if you are I'm going to be using peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanut butter, this is optional. You can skip it. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of peanut butter on this recipe. You can skip it if you're allergic to it. So also I'll be using a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon to give it a nice flavor. Then we are going to blend this until smooth to get that delicious smoothie with oats. So if you've not liked this video, please remember to give this video a like to encourage us to do more oat smoothie. You can also make a apple oat smoothie or a mango oat smoothie, which is very delicious. If you've not subscribed to my channel, you are still new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated. Please remember to share this video with your loved ones. If you want to see more of oat smoothie recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Hope to see you next time, and please be safe. Bye bye.